So what has Concussion Care Center done for you?
The Concussion Care Center has actually changed my life pretty substantially, because when I came here, I really was pretty desperate based on the fall that I had taken and the fact that I couldn't recover, and I didn't really know what was going on other than I had something called Post Concussion Syndrome, and it didn't seem like there was much help. So coming here has given me really my life back and allowed me to learn how to function again with organizational skills, as well as getting back into work and being able to think straight, as well as really getting my headaches to disappear, my brain fog to go away, my insomnia that I experienced after the fall. All those things in time and coming here have really gotten better, and I feel almost really 100% now, where the time I started, I felt like it was maybe never going to be 100%.
And can you tell us about your condition before you came to Concussion Care Center?
So before I came, it was about almost 4 months of dealing with severe headaches, brain fog, not being able to think straight, having a loss of words, all of the typical things that now I know are associated with Post Concussion Syndrome. And I was going to see a neurologist, and they were putting me on medication, and the medication was creating some of the same symptoms that I was already experiencing. And so I truly felt like I was kind of at a loss. And coming here before that, it was almost hopeless. I felt kind of hopeless and determined to figure out there had to be more people that could help, and more care that could be given than what I felt like I was experiencing. So that's what brought me here 4 months after the fall. So.
Yeah, and can you tell us how Concussion Care Center is different?
So it's different in, first of all, the approach that you take, and I felt like people really weren't understanding what people go through when they're in this situation, because you look normal or they feel like you should be recovered. So I really wasn't experiencing any sort of empathy. And when I got to Concussion Care Center and met with you guys, it was like you guys understood. I read some of the little plaques on the wall. It was like other people had been through it, and there was hope that I would get better, and it would be 100%, and that I wasn't going to live like that forever. And I felt like when I got here, I didn't know if it was ever going to get really better. So.
Yeah. So can you tell us about, what does your future look like now? How do you feel about your future now?
So I feel super optimistic, positive. I've had some conversations with people that, I feel like I'm back to normal, and I feel like I'm able to function the same way I functioned prior to the incident. And so now I feel like my future is, at one point I felt like, will I ever be the same? And now I feel like I'm going to be the same, and I'm going to be able to live a happy and fulfilling and long life, and not have any of the symptoms that I was experiencing that I thought could be, they're life-changing, first of all, and they do change your life, but you feel like, are they ever going to go away? And I feel like now they're almost all gone. Every now and then I'll have a headache or something, and it makes you nervous that but it's not the same.
Mm-hmm. And what would your advice be for anyone else experiencing similar symptoms?
My advice would be that this place has changed my life, that if you come in here to, and if you really want to get better and work at it, that you can get better, but you have to make the stride to do it. Like, you have to listen to what you guys say and come for the treatments. And I remember in the very beginning, you and Diana saying, hey, you need to come and try and make this a priority and be here, and if you want to get better, we'll help you get better. And so if you do the program and you come and you make the effort and make it a priority, that you can get better and you can live the same life you lived prior.
And do you have any other final thoughts?
I'm just so thankful and so grateful that I found this, and that this is the place that I came to in a time when I was so desperate. Like, I'm so thankful that you guys have this, and that it was here in my backyard, and that you guys are offering it to other people. And if I can ever be a part of it, I would be a part of it, to make other people know that it's a real deal, and it's a real serious situation when you go through something like this, but that there is help and that you guys helped, and that I'm just super grateful that you created the center and that it's here to help people that were in the same state I was in.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you.